Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Aki here. Welcome to my MarketJam review. We're going to be taking a close look at MarketJam. Also, I'll be showing you the bonuses that I've put together to get you the most profits with MarketJam. MarketJam is a cloud-based application and it allows you to build your own marketplace, just like Fiverr. So this has so many features, including payment integration with PayPal and stuff. You can actually set up your own marketplace. You can list services, but not only that, you can also allow other vendors to come and sign up on your site to also list their services on your platform. There's referrals system, and this actually comes with a ton of features. So this launches on the 22nd of August by 10 a.m. Eastern time. Now I've put together bonuses that allow you to actually load up this platform with some high quality services that people are looking for every single day. So we are going to be talking about this in a short while. So right now I'm going to show you the custom bonuses, and then I'm also going to let you see how MarketJam works. You are going to find a full demo of MarketJam right here on my bonus page. I'll probably also leave a link to that video in the description of this particular video. So my first bonus, I'm going to be giving you rights to use my own softwares. You are going to be able to list some of my own softwares as services on your own platform. Now, these are services that I am currently listing on Fiverr, and I'm actually getting paid every single time because people are actually looking for these, especially people who are looking to make money with ClickBank. They are looking for this kind of softwares or this kind of pages to create their own squeeze pages. So this is a cloud-based software. This is 0 to 1,000, and this gives you access to done for you affiliate marketing squeeze templates and done for you lead magnets that you can use to promote any affiliate offers from ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JVZoo, you name it. So all you need to do to use this is actually just log in, create your account, log in, and then add your affiliate link, and then you are good to go. Now you are going to be listing this as a service, meaning people can actually use the software to create their own squeeze pages, and then all you need to do is list it on your own marketplace, and then you'll be able to give them access to create their own accounts. Also, bonus number 2, another cloud-based software to create some high quality done for you squeeze pages, also with done for you lead magnets, and also allows you to create unlimited campaigns. These are actually bullet points that you can actually use to list this on Fiverr. So you are getting software which people are actually looking for, because I currently sell these softwares on Fiverr. So you can actually list these on your own platform or even on Fiverr to start making money. And basically this doesn't even require any work on your part other than sending them these links once you receive these orders. Also, bonus number 3, you are going to be getting access to done for you PowerPoint video templates, which you can also go and list on your own marketplace. Now, these templates don't require any expertise or any experience to use, because all you need is PowerPoint. You don't need any special software to customize these templates, and then you can actually create videos for TikTok, create videos for Instagram, for Facebook, even YouTube, Twitter, or any other social media platform where you can post videos. Also, another software that you can go and list on Fiverr or on your own marketplace. This is Octagon Pro, and then I'm giving you the opportunity to go and list this as a service on your marketplace. This gives you access to done for you ClickBank product reviews. You can literally go on Fiverr right now to go and search for ClickBank squeeze pages, ClickBank products, and stuff like that. You're going to see people actually listing these services and actually getting a ton of sales just from these services on Fiverr right now. So these are services that help people really make money online. They also come with free traffic, and therefore this is actually good for you to go and list and easily make easily make sales on your own marketplace also. Now I'm giving you the opportunity to own my own software. Now this is not the front end, this is the first OTO. Now this is basically the most expensive OTO for Octagon, and this basically allows you to add or to put the Octagon software on your own domain, change the name, change the logo, customize it, own it as if this is not Octagon. Basically, you get a chance to give this your own name, and I'm going to work with you to put this on your own hosting if you have. If you don't have also, I can basically go ahead and set this up on some hosting for you, and then you're going to get a subdomain on the Octagon domain, which is great. And then you don't have to code. You can launch this, you can give this away as lead magnets. You can basically do whatever you want to do with this in 100%, and that's another software right there. Also, I'm going to be giving you access to a training that shows you how to make money on Fiverr, and then you can actually follow suit, copy this same technique for your own platform, and then you can basically enjoy unlimited profits on your own marketplace. Also, Facebook is a good place to actually get traffic to your marketplace. So I'm going to be giving you access to a training. This is a series of videos that shows you how to drive some high quality traffic, either free or paid, from Facebook. And of course, you are going to be getting access to the vendor bonuses. Now, there's a ton of bonuses from the vendor. I just wanted to let you know you're also going to be getting these bonuses in addition to my own bonuses also. Now, what you need to do to lock in all these bonuses is click on any of the red buttons on this bonus page. If you click on any of the red buttons on this bonus page, it's going to take you to the sales page of MarketJam, where you'll be able to pick up MarketJam and where you're going to be getting full information about the freelance creation platform. So here it says top agencies and freelancers are quickly moving away from Fiverr, Freelance, and Upwork to this. Get instant access to the world's first one-click Fiverr, Freelance, and Upwork-like marketplace builder that will easily drive unlimited clients, leads, and higher amount with no skills required. Now, this is easy to use. As a matter of fact, anybody can use this. Commercial and agency license included. Your own admin dashboard, and also sell unlimited services. Right now on Fiverr, if you have an account, you can probably list maximum of 5 services, and then you won't be able to list any other service except you want to delete one to add more services. But here you are going to be getting full access to list unlimited services, and I've also put together some software services that you can actually list and give people access, and this actually sells a lot on this kind of marketplaces. So feel free to come check out the video presentation right here. Come check out information here. No technical skills required, and the good thing is it works in any niche. You get to sell unlimited services and basically charge what you want, charge any amount to your subscribers. So come check out this sales page in your own time to get full information about MarketJam. So right now I'm going to show you the pricing, and then I'm going to let you see how MarketJam works and how you can put this to use for your own profit. Mind you, also you can come and check the full demo right here on my bonus page. So the front end gives you access to all these features with agency and commercial license included. Goes for a one-time fee of $17. There are some optional upgrades. There's the Market Pro Unlimited that goes for $37 and gives you access to all with Pro features, remove all restrictions and go unlimited. Upload on our server, custom domain setup feature with no watermark. The second optional upgrade is the MarketJam Stocks Edition. You get access to searchable membership, 2 million plus HD stock images, 1 million plus Ultra HD stock videos, 20k vectors, 20k plus vectors, 8,000 plus high quality royal free audios. There's a ton of value here also with commercial license. You are going to be getting in OTO number 2. OTO number 3 is the try host, and this also goes for 67. You get unlimited storage for all your files, unlimited website hosting, unlimited video hosting, commercial license included, so you can offer this also as a service to other offline and online businesses and keep 100% of your profits. That's bonus. That's OTO number three. OTO number four is the MarketJam Enterprise. This gives you access to all-in-one marketing suite, automated social media sharing, full analytics, outsourced license. This goes for 27. And then the MarketJam DFY edition. This is the done for you edition. That's OTO number 5. This goes for 27, and you get access to 50 done for you products to sell. MarketJam white label. That's OTO number 6. Goes for 697, and this allows you to basically rebrand and make this 100% yours. And that's my review of MarketJam. Right now, I'm going to let you see how MarketJam works and how to put this to use for your own profits.
Hello guys, welcome to Market Jam overview video, and in this video I'll walk you through everything in Market Jam admin dashboard, and how you can set up your marketplace, and how you can set up your services as a seller, and how you can create your services categories, how you can manage everything as an admin and as a seller. So in MarketJam you can create your marketplace like Fiverr, where anyone can register as a seller or as a buyer. So it totally up to you how you market your marketplace. Like you can attract both the buyer and seller, or you can just become the seller yourself and sell just your own services like every other freelancers out there. But the best part about this platform is you control everything. By everything, I mean you control the reviews, the prices, the cut you make. In case you hire multiple sellers, then you make the money from their cut. You can set the as percentage of fees you require, and overall, it's your own Fiverr like marketplace. So I'm already in the dashboard. This is what you will get once you buy MarketJam, and in the dashboard, you can see I have I don't have any proposal. By proposal, it meant services. In case you create a services, it gets submitted for approval, and the admin is going to approve that if they find it. So if it has all the key ingredient to sell and attract buyers, then the admin can approve it, which is you. It's totally up to you how you can approve it. If you get multiple sellers, but in case you are the seller and you are the admin, then you can approve it whatever you want. And then the active order, support requests, and it has everything. You can handle your support requests, you can create a blog post, you can create custom pages, and you can do your accounting in it, the payouts, I mean the features of account length. So let me walk you through them one by one. So this is the dashboard. We will see specific numbers like how many proposals are there, how many users you have, how many active orders, and in case there is a support request. Then in the settings, in general settings, you can add your site's marketplace name, and if you wish to do all the payouts as manual, or you can make it automated. Let's say you hire multiple sellers, they sign up on your marketplace, they sell their services, then whatever the fees you have and whatever cut they make, either you want them to all the payout as manual or as automatic. It's totally up to you. And then you can add site description, site keywords, site author name. This is for marketing your marketplace. Then you can add your own favicon, add your own logo. You can add a mobile logo. You can add a watermark on your services images that can do it. You can change site color. We have it set up as green for now, and you can change all this. You can add a Google Analytics tracking ID in case you want to track every visitor, and you want to know more data on how every visitor is interacting with your sites, how they are going from pages to pages and everything. Then you can update the site URL in case you want to use some other URL with it. You can do so. Then the email address from where the all the mails are going to be set up, and user can email you. You can set up that, and you can, if you want to show language switcher in case somebody is from another country, they don't know English, they can switch and have the language switcher, the copyright text, site, time zone, You can set a time zone, be it currently I'm India, Delhi, so I have it set it like this. You can add reCAPTCHA so you won't get any bots who sign up for marketplace, and I suggest doing it. And site currency, currently I have it in US dollar. You can select any currency, be it pound, rupees, or from whatever currency you deals in, you can select over here. Then the currency symbol, if it's right to left, then you can select as right, since dollar sign goes in left. And I have set it up currency format. Do you want the referrals, like let's say if any seller get a referral, they get some sort of a certain amount of things like reward point, or some from their payouts. Then you can, if you want, you can enable referrals. If you don't want it, you can enable it. So this is how you create your proposal, and as an admin you can approve it and everything. So yeah, all these packages are way over here. So let's walk you through the seller part of the dashboard. And as you can see, you can see all the freelancers that are live. Currently it's just me. Once anybody signs up, they will see it. And you can see all the messages over here, all the notification, if anything is in your cart, or this is in case you are selling. You can see all the orders, you can create a coupon, you can see your buy request, you can see the revenue. And in case you are buying, you can see the buy orders and everything. You can see your contacts, you can see your referrals, you can see your inbox messages. So in case somebody sends you a message, any buyer or any other seller sends you a message, you can see it over here. You can see the customer support, like you can create ticket and ask admins that, yeah, I want this thing, and something like that. So let's just log out and see it as a buyer. It's totally up to you how you work on this thing. All right. And I think, yeah, this is it for the demo. And we will create multiple videos on specific settings and everything, how you can set it up. All right.